Okay, hello guys, I'm new in this channel, so I'm gonna tell you all of my coins. Okay, okay, just wait. These are my coins. These are all my coins over here. Then, you know about that. Just kidding. Okay, let's move on number one on my collection. Number 1 to number 13. The worst. Okay. Just wait. Okay. Number 1 is the quarter dollar. Quarter dollar. Paano kayo? Never mind, wag na to.